here in Metrogate, Silang, Cavite to feature this brand new modern 4-bedroom home with its own private pool. And hindi lang yun yung magandang feature niya. This is just a few minutes away, Cavite Laguna Expressway, and napakalapit po niya sa Tagaytay. Kaya naman po, ang ganda ng weather dito. I'm really excited to show you this one. Kaya tara po, simulan na natin ang ating house tour. Proceed with our house tour, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga recent posts natin. And you can also on our social media accounts, we're on Facebook, Instagram, we also have our TikTok, and then meron din po tayong LinkedIn. So the details for the property, this sits in a lot area of 180 square meters with a floor area of 234 square meters. It's beautifully aesthetically designed, so I'm really excited to show you this one. It has 4 bedrooms, you have 3 toilet and bath, a powder room, a maid's room, and isa pong magandang feature ng bahay na to is it has a private, it's just a small private pool wherein you can relax. So let's begin with the house tour by exploring the exterior part. As you can see, you have an open carport which can easily fit your 2 full-size SUVs. Kitang-kita naman po kasya yung malalaki nating mga sasakyan. And right beside it would be your pedestrian gate. And isang magandang nakita ko dito is meron siyang water feature na nilagay with plants which gives you that warm feeling or a relaxing vibe as you enter the house. Parang pumasok ko sa spa. So tara, akyat tayo, pasok tayo dito. Let me just show you the side entrance or the service area entrance ng bahay na to. So as you can see, meron siyang fluted panels so that it can mix with the design of the house and it can hide yung ating entry door sa pedestrian gate. So as we open this door, you already have your lock, and then meron tayong small part for landscaping that you can put here. And as I move a little bit further, meron tayong secret place or parang secret garden here in the middle. It's like a courtyard or it's a mini courtyard wherein you can relax like this. So meron siyang tables and chairs that's designed so that you can just enjoy afternoon, sit down, read the book, read your Bible, maybe watch our YouTube videos, and meron na rin siyang electric fan. So it's very nicely designed. This door has an access going inside the house through the living area. So as you move a little bit further, dito din po is your service kitchen, which is nicely designed. You already have a big counter here so that if you had a lot of things cooking, you like to entertain guests, maluwag siya. And naka-polycarbonate na rin po yung roofing natin with your lighting. I really like the mixture of the colors of the matte black and also yung white natin. Ang ganda ng vibes niya. And also like yung covering na ginamit, yung ating stone design natin na may mga butas. It's very nicely designed. And right below is you have aluminum cabinets. And then meron tayong faucet. Now, also here in the service area is your access to the maid's room. It's just a good size. Tamang-tama lang po yung size niya. Not too big, not too small. Nasya po yung ating double deck and pwede rin tayo maglagay ng ating cabinets. So let's go inside the house. Let me tour you the ground floor and the backyard. So as we enter the house, as you can see, you have a very beautifully designed or tiled pedestrian walk. And right beside it, before tayo pumasok, you have cabinets wherein you can store your stuff here. Yan, pwede nyo siyang buksan. You can put your shoes there if you'd like. So, it depends on what you like. Meron din tayong cabinets doon. And also dito sa ating carport, meron tayong hidden wall there, which dito sa part ng textured wall natin na can be a storage for your tools or anything that you use for the car or maybe for the house. So, let's enter the house. This is already smart door lock. Okay, not already programmed, kaya nakapasok ko. So, as we immediately enter, as you can see, there's more storage. And meron pa rin po tayong mga cement that is may mga butas siya, may design. So I really like that. Bagong trend siya ngayon. So you have cabinets here. You can sit down there before you go out or wear your shoes, or you can sit down there as you go in and then take out your shoes. So as we enter, we'll be greeted by our beautifully designed house. As you can see, ang ganda-ganda ng pagpasok niya. So very welcoming. It's an open space layout has high ceiling. You have beautifully designed textured walls on one side to give that beautiful accent. You have a lot of huge windows so that the light or natural light comes into the house. Now, as you move a little bit further, let me just show you your living area, which is lighted by not only the lights, but you also have a skylight on top, which allows the natural light to go in. So this house is maximized, but it's not dark. So maganda dun, maliwanag siya because of the skylight or the sky dome. How would you? And right beside our living area would be yung dining area natin, which can easily fit your 8-seater, even your 10-seater dining table, which you already have a chandelier and you have this drop ceiling to add that or to signify that you're already in the dining area. And take a look at this. You have 4 huge sliding glass door panels with a view of the backyard, wherein you can put plants, you can design it properly so that it gives you that very warm feeling here in the dining area. Before we explore the backyard, let me just show you the kitchen area. So for the kitchen area, as you can see, you have your quartz countertop, you have a textured finish here on one of the pillars, you have your modular cabinet, you have a sink, you have a range hood, and you have a cooktop, and you have a refrigerator already there. And just imagine if you have a lot of guests, you can have a buffet here, and then you can entertain them, or you can put bar stools. Now, but one thing that I like about this, the dining or the kitchen area, would be this one, this huge mirror that has a view of your private swimming pool. So just imagine living here. It's like you're living in a vacation already. Kaya ang ganda niya. Now, let me tour you. So by the way, this is yung access natin kanina going to the courtyard or yung ating mini private garden sa side. Now, let me just show you yung ating backyard or where the private pool is located. So here at the backyard, you have your PVC floorings, which is very resistant to water. And then ang ganda dito, you have this private space at the back of your house, which you and your family can enjoy. And you just have this this is just a good size or just a right size swimming pool for dipping or maybe doing a short laps. It's for you and your family. So medyo gusto mo mag-relax, you can have your beer, your wine, or you can just sit down there and dip your feet while you're reading messages or reading a book or whatever you like doing. So before we go upstairs, there's also a bedroom here and downstairs. So if you have elderlies or meron kayong kasama sa bahay na cannot go up already, has knee problems, you can utilize this bedroom on the ground floor. It's just the right size. It has its own toilet and bath. It can easily fit your semi-double or double bed, and you already have your cabinets. You have actually a lot of cabinetry installed already. You don't need to think about it. You just have to bring your things. And you also have your toilet. So yung toilet natin is it's fully equipped. You have your beautiful textured tiles or your gray tiles, and then you have your shower enclosure, very nicely designed, and high ceiling siya. So we're done in the ground floor. By the way, there's a powder room here, pero hindi ko napapakita. So we're done here in the ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. As we go up the stairs, you can see that this is a very beautiful house. I can just imagine hanging a lot of our paintings or a lot of our family portraits. And as we go up the stairs, appreciating the heritage of our family or appreciating our artworks that we worked hard for to purchase. And isa pang magandang manonotice, it's very maaliwalas here in the second floor. Not because of the other windows on the side, but because of the sky dome or the skylight that is installed here in the stairwell or in the stairs area. And yung stairs natin is a mixture of wood and there's cement as a base. And by the way, dun sa ilalim ng stairs natin, meron tayong miniature garden. So at least you still have that relaxing or yung nature this house. Now, one nice feature of this home is this toilet and bath. This is a separate toilet, sink, and shower area. So you have your sink here So if you have a lot of people na you needs to go out, you can have somebody doing their toothbrush here, and you have your shower area here, and you have your toilet. So there's a lot of people that can move around in this space. That's why this is very nicely done. And it's still spacious, hindi siya yung siniksik. Now, right here on the second floor, we'll be greeted automatically by our spacious or just the right size family area. I can just imagine sitting down here on a lazy afternoon or sleeping here in a lazy afternoon or maybe watching my YouTube channel. Kanina pa nagpa-plug. So you can put a big flat screen TV here, enjoy Netflix, Amazon Prime, or enjoy movies with your family. It's just a right space. As you can see, the small details that they put in the house, it's very nice. And right across this would be a reading nook or a reading area wherein you can sit down and just lounge around and read the book or just do anything you like. Now, right here would be your two bedrooms, a good sized bedrooms. Both has their own closet space already. It's spacious. All of the rooms here has an air conditioning unit installed. And ang maganda dito, apart from yung closet space, meron na tayong dresser space or meron na tayong small desk area, which can be a dresser, which can be a study area. So it depends on what you like. But dito, kasi siguro yung semi-double or double bed natin. Now, right across it, and one thing that I like is talagang siningit pa nila yung big windows so that the natural light comes in the room. Now, right across it would be a bedroom. It's similar in design and color. You have, actually, if you notice, high ceiling siya, and then you have multiple pen lights or LED lights. You already have your air conditioning. And for this one, it has a small window here. Now, one thing that I'm really excited to show you this one when I restarted this video would be your master's bedroom. So if you're a fan of a good-sized master's bedroom, this might be the one for you. It's very spacious. It has a big balcony. So welcome to the master's bedroom. As you can see, very spacious. It can easily fit your king-size bed. As you can see, high ceiling LED lights. You have your windows here looking over the courtyard. You have your balcony here on the left side, wherein you can just enjoy the exterior part of the house. And apart from that, you already have your headboard installed. You have your side tables installed, and right across it is your good size or just the right size walk-in closet. Plenty of space for your family. Just a lot of room for his and her. Very spacious and high ceiling still. One thing that I like is dito sa ating bathroom. So, kung gusto niyo aesthetic ng house na to, you really like the aesthetic of this bathroom. The bathroom has an aesthetic. You have a sliding glass window here with a view of your plants, so that while you're taking a bath, it's still very pleasing, very relaxing. So just imagine walking into a house that is a vacation already. So you have high ceilings, you have a bathtub, so that's it. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual, or if you're looking for other properties, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. We have our Viber, WhatsApp, and also we are on our social media. We have our Facebook and Instagram. pwede nyo ba kaming i-message dyan. Somebody will get to you. And if you're still looking around and you just want to get informed or you want to just look around for properties, we have our website. It's liveinthesouthph.com. And then meron din po kaming Viber community. So kung gusto nyo may nare-receive po kayong mga updates from us, mga bagong paparating na listings, or mga soon to be posted videos, well, I invite you to join our Viber community. The link is on the description box and nandyan rin yan sa ating comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!